In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up a blank page homepage on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Safari button up at the top here, up in the menu bar. And you want to go down and select where it says Settings. Select the General tab at the top. And where it says Safari Opens With, click the drop down and select where it says a new window and new windows open with. If you click that, click the drop down, you can just select empty page. You can do the same thing for tabs as well. Just would have to make a couple selection changes in here. And then that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.